You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when
hey, beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy new month. This is the month of April, the first day of April. Happy new month to you all. Thank God for a brand new month. This month shall be a month of blessing. It shall be a month of supernatural breakthrough to all of us in the name of Jesus. It shall be a month of favor, okay? Our YouTube channel will skyrocket this month of April in the name of Jesus. So guys, I welcome you all. This is your first time seeing this face. My name is Kamsi. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. So guys, this month I just giving myself workout challenge. I noticed that I have not been working out for some time. I don't know, maybe because of laziness. I will call it laziness anyways, or because of time. There's only way you create time that you maximize it. So this month of April, I have given myself a challenge to do some workouts, and I'm getting this inspiration from Kamsi series. Kamsi series is a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. Sometimes I wonder how she does it. Every single day she will post it, and I was somehow challenged, and I decided. I've been telling her that, I will join you, but because of laziness, like I said earlier, but I have made up my mind by the grace of God. God help me to make it up. God help me to do it to the end of this month, and I would like you guys to join me. Please watch. When you watch, it will encourage me to do more. Okay, see this fact, we must share it. Hey, we must share it. I'm ready. Oh, God said this. I'm ready for the challenge. This is April challenge, so come with me. Okay, thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate you, and I want to use this opportunity to appreciate one of us, Esther Chronicle TV. She's a YouTuber based in Switzerland. Oh my God. God bless the day I connected with you. Thank you so much. Guys, you don't know what this lady did for me. This lady have been there. She have been supporting me since we connected. She calls me to check out on me. Even recently, she supported my ministry. Hey, she supported my ministry all the way from Switzerland. She patronized me. She saw the sample of my business on Instagram, and she decided to support me. My Instagram, I posted some Ankara fabric, and all the way from Switzerland, she patronized me. She didn't do that because she has money, or there's no other place she can get that. Of course, she has so many places she can get it, but she called me. She selected the ones she selected. Before you know it, I got a lot. Hey, you know what it is to get a lot from that side. You know what it is. Honestly, Esther, thank you so much. Oh, Esther Chronicle, you have an amazing personality. Thank you so much for supporting me. I really appreciate you. Guys, please, if you want to support me, check out my Instagram, okay? Select anyone, anywhere you are. We will send the material to you, okay? So let's start the business of the day. Okay, I'm starting with high stepping. Hope you really enjoyed today's fitness. Until I see you again tomorrow, join me. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.